I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in day 12 of Dephemerember, hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzl. And be sure and check out their channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. There have been so many great ideas. I can't wait to try some of them. And yesterday I did this card, and as I was uploading my video I realized I didn't finish it. Things I was going to do. That's the only thing about Dephemerember is we're doing things so fast that I forget some of the things I want to do. So I'm just going to show you what I did to finish it off. I sewed around my card. I added some gilding wax on my pocket to bring out that embossing, and I added some gilding wax on my flower, and that's pretty much it. I've got to think things through. Yesterday was church day, so I was in a hurry, and now I'm just going to add it to my journal. And I just made a belly band with a piece of the paper that I had left over from the other day. So for today, our prompts is lace and postcard, and I chose a bunny as my animal. And I've got this bunny from Luise Heinzl, and I've got this little cutie from Lee of Lee's Art Studio. And I've got a postcard stamp. I'm just going to alter this index card to make my postcard. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Well, here's day 12 finished. I've got my postcard and I've got my lace, and I chose the bunny. And this is out of limitations comes creativity. And that's what I did because I didn't have a postcard. And I just used up the rest of the leaves that I had left over from a previous project and gave them a little bed of leaves to sit on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbara and Luise's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. I hope y'all have a great, wonderful day. Until next time, bye y'all.